Adding more greens to your diet doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. With a little creativity, they can become the most exciting part of your meals. In this video, we'll explore 40 innovative and delicious ways to incorporate more leafy greens into your diet effortlessly and enjoyably. From refreshing smoothies and hearty soups to irresistible snacks and gourmet-style side dishes, you'll discover endless possibilities to make greens a regular part of your day. Greens in breakfast. Start your mornings right by blending a handful of spinach or kale into a creamy smoothie, combining it with bananas, berries, and almond milk for a nutrient-packed, vibrant drink. Add a nutritional punch to your breakfast by mixing chopped greens like arugula or spinach into your scrambled eggs or fluffy omelets for a wholesome and flavorful start. Transform your pancakes or waffles into a savory masterpiece by incorporating pureed spinach into the batter and topping them with fresh avocado slices. Elevate your breakfast sandwich by layering greens like Swiss chard or baby kale onto your bread, adding a satisfying crunch and an extra dose of vitamins. For a sweet and healthy treat, prepare green muffins using spinach or shredded zucchini, adding a touch of honey or cinnamon for a delightful twist. Greens in lunch. Brighten up your lunch routine by tossing a variety of greens, such as romaine, kale, and spinach, into your salads, adding nuts, fruits, and a zesty dressing for a burst of flavor. Upgrade your sandwiches or wraps by layering shredded greens like cabbage or bok choy, creating a crunchy, fiber-rich meal that's both satisfying and nutritious. Swap out tortillas for large lettuce leaves or collard greens to create fresh, low-carb wraps packed with your favorite fillings like grilled chicken or hummus. Whip up a hearty green soup by blending steamed spinach, parsley, and vegetable broth with garlic and a splash of cream for a comforting and nutritious dish. Top your favorite pizza crust with greens like arugula, spinach, or broccoli before baking, creating a gourmet-style pie bursting with flavor and nutrients. Prepare a filling lunch by whisking chopped greens into a baked quiche or frittata, pairing it with a light salad for a perfect midday meal. Greens in snacks. Satisfy your snack cravings with crispy kale chips. Simply toss kale with olive oil and spices, bake until crunchy, and enjoy a guilt-free, delicious treat. Give your hummus a vibrant twist by blending in spinach or parsley, creating a flavorful dip to pair with raw veggies or whole grain crackers. For a savory snack, bake green zucchini fries by coating zucchini sticks with breadcrumbs and parmesan, then roasting until perfectly golden. Elevate your guacamole by mixing in finely chopped greens like spinach or arugula, enhancing its nutritional value while keeping it irresistibly creamy. Create easy spinach pinwheels by spreading cream cheese and spinach onto a tortilla, rolling it up tightly, and slicing it into bite-sized, flavorful pieces. Greens in dinner. Sauté greens like spinach or kale with garlic, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon for a quick and flavorful side dish that complements any dinner. Stir shredded greens into hearty pasta dishes like spaghetti or baked lasagna, adding extra nutrients and color to your favorite comfort meals. Make a homemade green pesto sauce using basil, parsley, or arugula, blending it with olive oil, garlic, parmesan, and nuts for a versatile, delicious topping. Toss greens like collards, bok choy, or mustard greens into your favorite stir-fry recipes, combining them with colorful vegetables and savory sauces. Substitute pasta with steamed cabbage or collard greens in layered lasagna, creating a low-carb, gluten-free version of this classic comfort dish. Add a boost of nutrients to your stews, soups, or curries by stirring in Swiss chard or kale near the end of cooking for a tender and flavorful addition. Stuff bell peppers or zucchini boats with a mixture of quinoa, chopped greens and herbs, then bake until the filling is golden and aromatic. Greens in desserts and drinks. Blend baby spinach or kale into dessert smoothies, combining it with cocoa powder, bananas, and almond butter for a rich and healthy chocolatey treat. Refresh yourself with herbal drinks by incorporating greens like mint or basil into your lemonade, iced tea, or sparkling water for a unique twist. Add shredded zucchini to your brownie batter for a moist, fudgy texture that sneaks greens into your dessert without compromising on taste. Try experimenting with green ice creams or sorbets by blending spinach or matcha powder with creamy bases, creating a vibrant and nutrient-dense dessert. Greens in sauces and condiments. Puree greens like spinach or arugula into a creamy pasta sauce with garlic and olive oil, creating a vibrant dish that's perfect for dinner. Enhance your salads or grilled meats with a homemade chimichurri or green goddess dressing made by blending parsley, dill, and cilantro with olive oil. Add an extra layer of nutrition to your salsa verde by incorporating finely chopped kale or spinach, making it a perfect topping for tacos or roasted vegetables. Mix chopped greens into your burger patties, meatballs, or veggie fritters, adding moisture, nutrients, and a fresh flavor to every bite. Tips for success: buy greens in bulk at your local market and store them in airtight containers to ensure freshness and encourage frequent use in your recipes. Explore different types of greens like kale, Swiss chard, and bok choy to keep your meals interesting and maximize your nutritional intake. For tougher greens like collards, blanch them briefly before adding to dishes to soften their texture and enhance their natural flavor. Experiment with seasonings, dressings and toppings to create exciting flavors that make greens more appealing to even the pickiest eaters. Start small by adding greens to familiar dishes and gradually increase the amount as you become more comfortable with their taste and texture. Remember, incorporating greens into your meals is about balance. Combine them with your favorite ingredients to create meals that are both healthy and satisfying. Conclusion: adding greens to your diet doesn't have to feel like a chore. With these creative ideas, you can make them an enjoyable and exciting part of your daily meals. Whether it's blending them into smoothies, baking them into chips, or layering them into your pastas, there's a way for everyone to embrace and love greens.